Okay, moving on to our next problem. I have, again, three premises. The first one is B or D. Second premise, if B, then F, and if D, then C. Third premise, if F, then D, and if C, then G. And in this case, I'm told I want to get to the conclusion that D or G. Okay. So again, I am looking at a disjunction here in the conclusion. I'm looking at D and G as my two disjuncts. So I'll come over here and I am looking at my premises. I see a D there, I see a D there, and I see a G right there. So what I'm thinking now is, again, it looks like I'm going to want to use some kind of constructive dilemma because I know I need to finish with a disjunction. I have a disjunction of my premises. I have these combinations of conditionals. Everything looks set up for some sort of constructive dilemma. Looking right here at my first premise, B or D, I notice that I see a B here in my antecedent and a D here in this antecedent. So B or D will automatically, by constructive dilemma, give me F or C. Now I happen to notice that right there I have F, right there I have C. So again, I could do another constructive dilemma to get D or G, which is what I need to prove. So I'll just do that. It's just a couple of steps here. First, I will simply use constructive dilemma on lines 1 and line 2. And that should give me F or C by lines 1, 2, constructive dilemma. And now that I have F or C, I can use another constructive dilemma to get to D or G, again, which is what I want to prove. So line 5, I use line 4 along with line 3 to get D or G. That's line 3, 4, constructive dilemma, and that's the conclusion.